So, let's have a talk, guys. So, basically, today's video is going to be about why you should never give up and why you shouldn't stop pursuing your goals because it's either you're not seeing the results right away or people will tell you not to do certain stuff. Um, and how it's going to affect you later on in life and how it's going to make you a better person. So, in a sense, I know there's a lot of you out there that want to do YouTube. I know a lot of you want to pursue something else, as in like career wise, and that's perfectly fine. One thing I learned, I'm sorry if I'm looking away, but this light is booming in my eye. One thing I learned about doing YouTube is that you can never like give up right away. Cause like if you do give up, then I wouldn't say that's it, but it's gonna be even more difficult for you to get your following or get people to like your videos and watch your videos like you wanted to. Um, so basically, I'm speaking from experience. So I'm not out here giving y'all some half truth, half lie type thing. Because I'm speaking from experience. I'm just now starting back up on my YouTube because I realized that I messed up in a sense. Like I stopped making videos for almost a whole year, and I mean, it's okay. It's okay if you have a full-time job and you're out here working your ass off and you can barely make videos. Um, but when you do have the free time, like let's say you have a Saturday or Sunday to make a video, then take that time to make that video or a couple of videos. Do your videos in bulks. So like if you know you have Saturday off and like you're gonna be free for like 3-4 hours, not 3-4 hours. If you're gonna not be doing anything for like 6 hours of that day, make at least 2-3 videos, edit 2 of them that same day, or edit one day and then just have it ready to go out for the week. So in a sense, you should have enough videos for the whole week, like 1 to 3 videos. So like you post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So that's what I'm finally learning how to do, and this is why I say it's better to experience things by yourselves and look at your mistakes rather than hearing it from somebody else. I need to watch all these videos saying you should post consistently. Um, you should do videos in bulk. You should not stop the grind. But in a sense, I feel like some people take that to heart right away and do it right away. But there's some other people that want to take it to heart, but at the same time, they don't understand how it kind of feels to not post a video or like to be actually making videos and you're actually getting traction on it, and then that all comes to a stop in a sense, not to a full stop, but you was on your way up and then you just stop halfway and then now you gotta restart the whole process. So some people take like to experience that first in a sense, before they actually do something about it. So basically what I'm saying is I know I messed up because at the beginning of the year I was doing so good. Like videos was coming out, and then I just stopped. And that's because I was probably working every single day of the week, and most of the times I was tired, and I did have Saturdays off, but Saturdays, instead of making a couple videos on Saturday, I just slept, and it was to make up for the sleep that I wasn't really getting during the week, because I'm a late sleeper. I'll be going to sleep at like 1 or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. Um, and that's another thing. If you know you're gonna be a late sleeper, at least make the videos during the time you're trying to fall asleep. In a sense, it's gonna be tiring, but you making your videos. So for me, I'm saying it helped me to experience and knowing the fact that when you're doing good and you stop your progress, it's because of your own fault. So you can't really blame anybody else. I blame myself for not putting out more videos and doing it consistently. I blame myself for 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 not already being at 1,000 subscribers or like 100,000 views. I blame myself for that because I put the brakes on my own success. Some people put the brakes on your own success. And basically this video is to tell you guys not to put the brakes on your own success. Because you are your own person. You are your own motivator. Yes, you can have people out here supporting you, but at the same time, there's other people that's not going to support you and it's going to tell you to stop your dreams or stop doing this because they don't think it's the right career for you. But if you're passionate about something, then you go out and do what you need to. And like put in 110% effort and work into that. So don't ever give up. That's the basis of this video. And it's gonna be really hard to get back into the groove because like at the beginning of the year I was in a groove. I was putting out videos and all that, and now it's a weird groove that I have to get back because now it's like I gotta reschedule my schedules or like find some time out of the day to actually make a video and then post it and then edit and do all that because I had a set schedule and I messed it up and I messed that up at the beginning of the year. So you guys gotta understand, don't ever stop making videos, don't ever stop studying, don't ever stop pursuing a job or a career in something weird. If it could be social marketing, social media marketing, or whatever it is. If it's weird to other people, but you know that you like it and you can see yourself working there 40 to 50 years in the future, not 50 years, but like till you can retire and that you're going to enjoy it. Like there's a difference between working there to working there and then working there to enjoy it and having fun every single day. And when you retire, you could be like, damn, I just retired from a great ass job. Like, I really love that job. I'm old now and I feel bad that I'm old. And it's just like, damn, I wish I was like 20 years younger so I could keep continuing at the job. So, like, it's about what you love and what you gonna do for the future. Because, in a sense, I'm old myself, but I feel like the older generation, in a sense, not to throw any shade, but the older generation, in a sense, are so custom. Like, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be like this ourselves, in the future. But I feel like we're gonna be more understanding when we have kids out here. We're gonna be more understanding that yes, we want our children to become successful, but at the same time, we gotta give them the leeway sometimes to progress and do their own stuff, because that's how you build character. Like, I'm not gonna tell my child when he turns 16 or 18 that if he wants to go look for a mini job while he's in school, I'm not gonna tell him no, because at the end of the day, that builds experience, that builds motivation, that builds organization to do something and consistently do it throughout the day and focus on another thing. Like, it builds character. So just keep doing what you guys are doing. Like, make your videos. Don't stop making it. I'm gonna use my own advice because I can't be telling you guys one thing and not use my own advice that I'm telling you guys. So I know, like last week, I said the last video I said I'll post 2 to 3 videos a week. Last week I was busy. All right, but this week is a whole different week. Like, if you know that you're busy, do something about it. Find some time to make 1 or 2 videos and at least be like, all right, guys, sorry I didn't post a video last week, the whole week, and post a video this week, and make sure you post more. You just gotta get into a groove, and sometimes it's hard to get back into that groove. That's what I'm saying. And like, look at last video. Last video was I was just umming all over the place. Like I was like but now I can actually sit at the camera and like I don't think you guys heard from me for the whole video until I just said it a couple seconds ago. So like you just need to practice. Everything is practice, and practice makes everything perfect. So if you don't practice something, or if you don't do it on a consistent basis, then you're not gonna get the results. And that's what I learned throughout this whole year of 2018, in a sense of not posting videos or doing certain things that I was supposed to do. So you just gotta practice makes perfect, and then once you get perfect at it, you try to make it even more greater, in a sense. So that's basically the video. And the next video, I am gonna get to you guys with the tech stuff, but I just want to have a couple discussions about the basics of YouTube. Not to get all up into the ads and all that, and then all this nonsense, but it's just certain things that you need to start up, and certain things that you need to do mentally before you even start. And people think it's just about starting right away, but no, it's about getting mentally prepared for the comments. Just know that you're gonna have people that love you, you're gonna have people that hate you, you're gonna have people that like your videos to like it, and then you're gonna have people that just wanna troll you and a whole ton of stuff. And you're gonna love some of your videos, you're gonna hate some of your videos, and you're gonna feel like you need certain stuff to start your channel. Which I was that type of person to think, oh, I need a DSLR. Like, it finally hit me that I really don't, and that I could do everything basically with a phone camera, like an iPhone camera, or whichever phone you have. So I'm currently using my phone right now to record these videos. It's not all about what equipment you have. Natural sunlight coming from outside. Like, do you see this quality? Like, do you see how clear it is? This is natural sunlight coming from outside. I don't need no light stand to be booming in my face. You could use what you have to make videos, guys. Use it. Use. Don't stop because you don't have equipment. Don't stop because you need something but you can't get it right away. Start because you need to start and you want to start. Because if you don't start when you want to start, then you're never going to start ever. Or you're not going to progress. And you're going to always complain to yourself, oh, damn, I wish I already had 1,000 subscribers or 100,000 views. But you can be wishing, but you're not doing anything to make that wish come true, in a sense. So, guys, keep up. I'm going to post more videos for myself. I'm going to keep true to my word, because I can't be telling you guys one thing and doing another thing. So I'm going to stay true to my words. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you. Love you guys. I know you see the hair. I'm trying to get waves, but that's another video. But anyways, deuces. Love y'all.